Yo, 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 what's up? It's me again. It's Felipe Quirico, the Bachata King, also known as the Bachata. It's also known as Felipe Antonio. This is what I'm going with nowadays. It's my new name. It's for work only. I'm still in Felipe Quirico, the Bachata King. Still. Okay, so here's my latest song. My call is Humans and Nature. I screwed up on my last song that I did, so I redid it again, and I erased the other one, so you won't see it no more. If you heard it, lucky you. Ready? Here we go. All right, awesome. That sounded more and more like not me. I kind of I composed this song back when I was a teen. I was like 19 or something like that when I wrote it, and I never elaborate till now. I mean, and then I just elaborated 10 minutes ago when I recorded. But yeah, I'm 39 years old as of on 2 days from now. Yay, 2 nights. I'll be 39. Holy shit, bro, I'm old. Anyway, um, well, anyway, that goes on. Good to see you. Good morning and all that. And enjoy the beats. It's all good. I call this human and nature. It's called. It's kind of like an oldie from the 1500s. Whatever. It's Mosaic, and all that. Mosaic. Beethoven and all of them. I would love to be one of them eventually, but for now, I'm just gonna be myself. And I'm not trying to be popular. I'm not trying to be famous. But I'm just trying to get my music out there and get my music known. And I would love to make a living on it if possible. If popular and fame comes along with it, so be it. I'm not exactly too big onto that, but whatever. Anyway, enjoy yourself, and ladies, how you doing? Bye bye.